Hello, good day. This is just a quick video from here at HTS regarding a new product we've just brought into our range. It's these HTS wipes. They are available in tubs of 80 and 400. So the main thing about these wipes is, as in the name, HTS, they can be used on hands, tools and surfaces. It's a great wipe, it's got a good texture to it, which obviously helps when trying to remove those oils and grimes and greases off your hands and tools. Give us a shout on our number or hop online and find them on there. Thank you.